Hi friends, Namaste. GLO LED making a RGB addressable neon profile. See here, we made this one in the Mushroom Tower, which is available in Hyderabad, Durgam Cheruvu. We made this one very effectively, and you can see here it is changing the lights one by one. You can set the scenes and you can set up the time, and it is run by with mobile. You can see here we are running with the mobile. You can change the color and you can send the whatever you want. Suppose if you want national flag colors, you can set the national flag color. If you want red, you can set the red. If you want blue, you can set the blue. You can set the scenes. You can also set the scenes. See here, one time it is coming blue, one time it is coming red, one time coming it white, almost by yellow color, and it's all possible in this models. So GLO LED is doing this one from long time. GLO LED makes another 1,000 products. GLO LED has spotlights, cob lights, and track lights, and also profiles. And neon, we do all the neon profiles. These neon profiles can be used for your naming also we can use, and for decorative purpose also you can use, for restaurants also you can use, for building elevation also we can use. So for your name also you can get by using this one. GLO LED has other products like street light, floodlight, sensors, profiles, whatever you want. GLO LED has all the lights. GLO LED has 1,000 plus products, and GLO LED also makes the export quality of the products, and we are supplying to all other countries also. Come to the GLO LED. It is very near to the Kukatpalli Prashant Nagar, and it is near to the metro, you can say, and you can type the Google GLO LED, you get the address. It is very near to the Kukatpalli. So come to the GLO LED for lighting solutions, and you can call the numbers, and you can send your requirement through WhatsApp. We'll share your quotation. GLO LED always has a price challenge with other clients. Come to the GLO LED for best price and best quality. Thank you very much.